Do you need a sunshade for your 2023 Tesla Model Y? Give this video a thumbs up and let's find out. Big thanks to Vion for sponsoring this video. Today we'll be taking a look at their sunshade for the 2023 Tesla Model Y and how it might benefit you. On this channel I love doing giveaways, so if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll give away a brand new sunshade to a random user in the comments. Just comment and say I want it. Let's go check out the packaging. On the front it says Vion. On the back you have some installation instructions. Here's what's included in the box. Currently they have a sale going on, so you can get this entire kit for $59.99. Plus if you use my discount code, you'll get an additional 10% off of that. So that's a pretty sweet deal. So inside the box you have a storage bag for the sunshades. These are the two sunshades here. You also get some clips. These are some clear clips, so if yours didn't come with the color matching clips like this, you can just email them and they will send you these out. Storing it is pretty easy. As you can see, it just folds up like this very nicely. Here's what they look like. Very lovely material. Feels very good. It feels very premium. Here you have the Vion branding, and if you flip it over, this one says it's for the rear, and this one here has the Vion here too, and it says it's for the front. So once you have all the clips installed, you're going to want to have the color match inside facing down, and then this shiny part is going to be the part that's pointing up towards the glass. Just look at the color match. It matches perfectly with the interior of the car. I could see you using this on camping trips. Let's say you wanted a bit more privacy. This would come in very handy. On hot summer days, this is going to keep your cabin very cool, and your AC won't have to work as hard just to get the cabin to the perfect temperature. Also, let's say you're at the supercharger and you needed to get some work done on your laptop, and that sun is just giving a big glare in the car and the heat. You could just put this up and get stuff done while you're charging. This is what it looks like in the front seat. As you can see, the fitment is perfect. This is what it looks like in the back seat. Overall, I think it's a very beautiful product, well worth the price. There's many use cases for this. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Tesla Model Y content. Peace out.